أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم أنت أخي في الدنيا والآخرة صدق الله أو كما قال إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على سيدنا مولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا مولانا محمد وبارك وسلم وصل عليه سبحان الله. His Eminence, Honorable, respected Sayyid Abdul Qadir Shah Sahib Jilani, Damat Barkat Mulaliya wal Qudsiya, Qibla P. Sayyid Sabir Hussain Shah Sahib, Qibla P. Sayyid Mazhar Hussain Shah Sahib, Sadat Athar, my respected elders and dear brothers. When ulama, mashayikh and Pirane Kiram, when they stand in front of Qibla Alam and they say that when we stand in front of him, it's like, and if we try to say anything knowledgeable, we're saying that we're giving any knowledge, it's like lighting a lighter and pointing to the sun and saying, look at my light. Because the sunlight is so bright, and the Pirane Uzam and Ulama Kiram are saying that, look at my, if we say anything, it's like lighting a lighter or lighting a match and saying to the sun, look at my light. And if Pirane Uzam and Ulama are saying that, so you can understand what my stage is. And saying in front of Qibla Alam Hazur Murfaqih Islam to be able to see, but because Qibla Ustaz Mukarram has told me to say a few words. So regarding that, all I would like to say that, like Qibla Ustaz Mukarram said at the beginning, that many people try to discredit Mullah Mushkil Kusha. And it didn't just start today, it's been going on from the time of Mullah Mushkil Kusha. And after that, when the governments have, I'm no politicians, but when governments take over, they remove all the previous books, they remove all the previous records. So anything going against them, they remove it. Now, the governments that came into power after Mullah Mushkil Kusha, after they stayed for so many years, but yet the shan of Mullah Mushkil Kusha is still there. And even today, these people are, don't get confused that, oh, this person has got a beard and he's got mihrab on his face, and he's, he's saying all these things that we need to consider. The person who martyred Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, his name was Abdul Rahman. He did not have a non-Muslim name, he had a name Abdul Rahman. But he is the one who slaughtered, or he's the one who martyred Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. And he had beard. So all these things that took place at the time of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is taking place now as well. But we are grateful and thanks to Qibla Alam that my family has known Qibla Alam from before my birth. And he's always been exactly the same. Some people come, when they get to that higher level, they change. Palta badalna. But Qibla Alam is such that he stayed on the same line throughout the time. And I pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that we share, because I didn't want to say anything in front of Qibla Alam, but I pray to Allah Azza wa Jal that he keeps us under the shadow of Sadat Ikram.